What's the capital of Pakistan?
I don't know.
What language is spoken in Pakistan?
Is it Pakistani? No.
That's Urdu, in fact.
Oh, no.
Any non-cricketing personality from Pakistan?
No.
Any two neighboring countries of Pakistan?
No.
No? All good, mate. Thank you. Capital of Pakistan?
I'm not sure.
That's all right. It's actually Islamabad.
No, okay.
What's the language spoken in Pakistan?
What's the language? Is it like... Is Hindi spoken there?
No, it's close by. It's Urdu.
Oh, okay.
Can you name any non-cricketing personality from Pakistan?
Oh, from Pakistan? No, I don't follow cricket.
Oh, that's right. What are the two neighboring countries of Pakistan?
Well, there's Indonesia and I think India.
Yep.
Yeah. I know the geography. Alright, except the capital city.
So one is India and other?
Oh, Indonesia, right?
No, Indonesia, no.
No, it's not? Oh, I thought it did. No. Okay, cool.
Thank you so much.
Alright, all good.
Alright, what is the capital of Pakistan?
The capital of Pakistan is Karachi.
No, that's the largest city in
Is
fact,
it? Ah.
but capital is Islamabad.
Islamabad.
Yep. What's the language spoken in Pakistan?
I'm not sure.
That's Urdu.
Urdu.
Yep. Any non-cricketing personality from Pakistan?
I can't say.
That's all right. So I'll give you an easy one. So any two neighboring countries of Pakistan?
Iraq and
That's Iran.
Iran.
One.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Iran and I'm not sure.
That's India, Afghanistan,
Okay.
China,
India and Iran.
India. Iran. Perfect. Thank you.